Namaste. I am Radhakrishnan, Shiv Sena Rajya Pramukh, Tamil Nadu State. I would like to register my strong opposition regarding the demand to ban Sanathan Sanstha by few Congress party leaders, activists and anti-national forces, especially after the murder of Pansare, Kalburgi, Dabolkar and Gauri Lankesh. A peculiar demand to ban a nationalist spiritual organization, Sanathan Sanstha, has come to light. Sanathan Sanstha is a nationalist organization. Sanathan Sanstha is spreading spiritualism and teach spiritual progress among Hindus. Also, Sanathan Sanstha strongly believes that this nation is Hindu nation and the Hindu Rashtra must be established. The organizations, those could not tolerate this philosophy, is pouring venom in the minds of the citizens of Hindustan. It is unfortunate that few persons like Pansare were murdered, but thousands and thousands of Hindu activists from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, particularly Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka, were murdered in broad daylight. What these parties and organizations spoke about this? Did they raise any single voice against these murders? They want that Hindu movements should not grow. They want that atheist and anti-Hindu ideologies must be spread. Many sadhaks were arrested. They were imprisoned. They were let off on bail after few years. But who will compensate these losses to the innocent sadhaks? Therefore, on behalf of Shiv Sena and Hindutva-vadis of Tamil Nadu, I would like to appeal to the Union government as well as the state government of Maharashtra to take action against the persons who are raising the voice to ban Sanathan Sanstha. Taking action against Sanathan Sanstha is equal to taking action against Hinduism. Banning Sanathan Sanstha means banning Hinduism in Hindu Rashtra.